Okay, here we are. It's 9 a.m. You can see the banana pepper plant is pretty much done over there. Hopefully this one holds up. I got it propped up. Winds are definitely turning up. Rain has still not. Oh, but you can feel that gust right there. Real strong. Yep. Sorry if I'm muffling the phone. I'm trying to cover it because there's a lot of just misty water getting thrown around. I'm going to step out of the screen room here, try to get you a view around the house. Yep, that water's certainly starting to come down a little more. You can see the clouds moving through the sky, trees blowing. Try to come around the front here so you can get a view from that side. Again, wind is not consistent. It's gusts that are coming through. Here comes another gust. We're at the outer edge, so it'll probably be a couple hours before the hurricane's fully here, but we're starting to see the effects. All right, I'll be back in an hour. You're going to see that the front yard is going to be loaded with debris very soon. Luckily, we don't have any puddling up or any water issues going on right now. But it's still very early. We'll be back in a little bit. See you in about an hour.